What's up, YouTubians? Gary here with VW Jawbreaker. That's right. We're keeping the name VW Jawbreaker regardless of what we work on, because it's just who we are, right? I'm really excited to show you here what's behind door number 1. And there's only one door. So let's take a look. Look at that. I got Jawbreaker and the 60 both in the garage. You know what that means? That means it's time to get started on this puppy soon. And I got some plans for it. I don't know how I'm going to reveal it to y'all just yet. I got some ideas. This thing is going to be so epic. If I can just get what's in my head to the car, this thing's gonna be awesome. I think. It's my car. So, yeah, we'll leave that alone. So there we go. We know we need to pull the body off the pan, but before we pull the body off the pan, there's something else I want to do. But before we can do that, we need to take a little trip and go get one specific part. There we go, roof's off. As you can see, this thing is just
toasty.
Absolutely toasty. Package tray's gone. I mean, there's so much gone in this thing. Trunk lid's gone. Engine's fully locked. Full of water, fully locked. I'm not even gonna bother with it. The only cool thing on this, check that out. That's pretty cool. It's from '74, Mid-Florida Tech sticker. I'll pull the tail lights, pull a few other things. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this puppy over, and we'll show you what I'm pulling out next. Yeah. rotted this thing is. It's, oops, that didn't go as planned. It just literally, there's no floors. Tunnel was rotted. Tunnel's way over here on the passenger side. This thing's toast, especially now. Well, we got half flipped over. All right. So that totally did not go as planned at all. Essentially, when we went to flip the car, the heater channels, pans, tunnel, everything was so rotted. She just folded in half and then half flipped and the other half didn't. What do you do? So we got what we need, cut it off the car. A few little odd and ends we'll take off. Well, we made it back, and honestly, this thing's pretty solid except for just a little bit of rot around the bottom edge there. Easily fixable. So why we go through that hassle of getting this frame head from an old rusted out Ghia? And before I hear any crap, that was not my car. I did not make the decision. I just simply said, hey, I need a frame head for a link pin front end. He goes, no problem, come over, give me a hand, let's get it out of the car. I said, okay. It's his stuff. I was just there to help him do what he wanted to do with his car. So, what are we doing with another frame head? Frame head in that car is okay. Guys, we are going to custom make a beam extension. This thing is going to be epic.
Epic.
I think. We're going to go with extended beam for a Volkswagen. But, and I say this very lovingly, but it's not going to be a lowrider. I've already got a car that's low. I want something different. So we're going to do a Volkswagen Baja race car kind of theme. It's going to be interesting, to say the least. So, next video, we'll bring you along. We'll show you what we're doing, show you how we're going to go about this. It's going to be a real simple process. And the nice thing is, I don't have to pay $1,000 for a beam extension kit for a Volkswagen. We're going to be into this thing cheap. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to make it. I already know it works. I did it on a pan buggy. Stick around. we're gonna have some fun with this car. So, till the next time, be good.